Our studio presents.
Dua Lipa is dating Anwar Hadid and explained that she spent a good amount of time on the Hadid family farm in Pennsylvania. Anwar is the brother of Bella and Gigi Hadid. She was asked how they usually spend their time when they're living the farm life. Wake up around 9 o'clock, 9:30, shower, get dressed, have a bit of breakfast, take the dog out on a really nice long walk, maybe do some yoga, make some lunch, hang out, watch a movie, play with the animals. The 25-year-old entertainer told Rolling Stone about her average day on the farm and what they did to pass the time. She then added of their two pygmy goats, Funky and Bam Bam, but you can take them inside. They love a cuddle.